Okay. Can y'all see? Let me move back. All right. So, I got Kevin to bed, but let's see. Come on, Kevin. Come on, mamas. Like I was saying, pets are like children. You give them a toy, they play for 2 seconds, and then they stop playing. Look at her, ready for she knows it. Hey, look at your, there's your bed. Y'all got tape on it. Ow. TikTok. So I'm gonna, and this is her bed. Oh, I thought it was gonna be too freaking come on, mus. Come on. Like it? You feel it? You like it? It's yours. She's like, it's yours. You like it? No, not the plastic, just like children. Look. Gotta analyze it. Okay. All right, so I don't know if Kevin liked the bed. I mean, it's not bedtime yet, I'm guessing. So she put 2 hands in it and it was like, all right, okay, thank you, but no thank you. We'll see. What's today? Today is Wednesday, November 6th. Yesterday was November 5th. It was Tuesday, and I was telling y'all about this wig I got that I'm about to install today. So I'm going to work out. Then I'm going to do my hair, and then I guess I'm gonna do my hair and talk to y'all at the same time. Hopefully I can talk to y'all. I don't know how it's gonna go, but yeah, we gotta talk. Anyways, I'll be back. All right, don't be alarmed. Don't be alarmed. Hold on, let me say. Don't be alarmed. I am putting on a new wig on. So we're gonna see how this goes. First of all, I gotta line this shit up. New wig from TikTokian. Let's see here. Let's see. Oh God, I hate long. Like, why do you have to have this lace this long? How am I supposed to see?
Yeah, she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like, okay, I used to be
high volume.
Okay, I'm pretty, then I'm motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like, okay, I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Down south, bad bitches, street shit so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the soul snatcher. Okay. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, and fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker. Yeah. Name on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler. Since I came home, I've been killing every summer. Real boss bitch, and I started as a runner. Titties and pretty, and I'm looking like a snack. 40-inch bust down, you know that bitch black. I'm pretty, then I'm motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like, okay, I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty, then I'm motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like, okay, I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Do not disturb, bitch, I'm with my nigga. Okay, stout name plate and it's from my nigga. Bitch say she pregnant, it ain't from my nigga. Nah, I don't pay for shit, it's all on my nigga. Bitch, Maserati mommy, and the roof missing. She ate crab legs, now a whole tooth missing. Cheap ass veneers, you stay talking shit. Put a marker to this bitch, she so counterfeit. I'm the baddie and the CEO. Gothic bitches shaking ass in videos. In the cut, getting high with an emo hoe. We in wrong way, you bitches in dark shadow. Whoa. I'm pretty, then I'm motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like, okay,
it like Mayweather. Tula come through and blow a hoe. Got millions out that rap shit, they hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back in coming. Fuck em, I stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might embarrass you. Tag glow, stomp a little pussy, hoe bitch with shell toes. Tag glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Tag glow, two-tone Cartier match the nails, hoe. Tag glow, no competition, these bitches stay, hoe. Tag glow, curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, hoe. Tag glow, say they get money, but I can't tell, hoe. Tag glow, keep running circles around these snail, hoe. Tag glow, and my shit bumping up in the jail, hoe. Get low, where you been at, mine? Everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck, got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not get me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players, my folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch, when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it.
You gon' get fucked over. Rari's and Rovers. These hoes are cheese salsa. Get on with that cobra.
Wealthy and ratchet, I'm the hood, bitches motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate me. Get 'em glow, them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Get 'em glow, stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Get 'em glow, standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some jail food on gang glow. Stomp a little pussy, hoe bitch with shell toes. Gang glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Gang glow, two-tone Cartier match the nails, hoe. Gang glow, no competition, these bitches stay, hoe. Gang glow, curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, hoe. Gang glow, say they get money, but I can't tell, hoe. Gang glow, keep running circles around these snail, hoe. Gang glow, and my shit bumping up in the jail, hoe. Gang glow. Gang glow.
There's another universe, please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life if there's a point to losing love, repeating pain. It's all the same. I hate this place, stuck in this paradigm. Don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this. Got to be more, sick of this head of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. Nirvana's not, it's sabotage. There's got to be more, been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern, floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say